Good morning. We are continuing class 8 geometry. Okay, understanding of quadrilateral. So first theorem today, prove that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So how to prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other? First we to draw parallelogram, same as last class. First you draw parallelogram. I am drawing by freehand, but you use scale and pencil. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and AC, comma BD, okay, are its diagonal which intersect each other at O. We have to prove AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD. Bisect means divided into two equal parts. Okay, so given let A, B, C, D be a parallelogram diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. Okay, then RTP, the full form of RTP is required to prove. What to prove? RTP required to prove. We have to prove AO equal to OC. Bisect means divided into two equal parts. AO equal to OC. Okay, and BO equal to OD. We don't want any construction here, so we start proof. Okay, proof. So how to do the proof? You see very carefully. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there, small triangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to take any two opposite triangles. I'm taking AOB and COD. You can take AOD and BOC also. So let me take in triangles AOB and COD. Okay, we can write like this. By applying any one of the three postulates, first you prove that these two triangles are congruent. Alright, okay, so can write like this. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. Reason, since it is vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. Okay, again we can write AB equal to CD. Reason, since opposite sides of parallelogram, since opposite sides of what? Parallelogram. Okay, then again we can write like this. Angle BAO equal to OCD. Angle BAO equal to angle, this one, BAO equal to OCD equal to angle OCD, since alternate interior angles. Okay, so we have to 3 part, 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts. So directly write, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. By what postulate? You see, this is angle, so by angle, this is angle side, angles by angle side angle postulates. Postulate. Okay, postulate. If any two triangles are congruent, all their corresponding sides are equal. So directly you write, therefore AO equal to OC. Directly you can write, and BO equal to OD. Reason, since CPCT corresponding part of congruent triangle, hence proved. Question number 2. Find the value of x in the given figure. In this given figure, we have to find the value of x. Okay. So how to find the value of x? Solution. We know that exterior angle, sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is always equal to 360 degree. Okay. Sum of the exterior means outside. So angle x plus angle 90 plus angle 50 plus angle 110 degree will be always equal to 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always equal to 360 degree. So x plus 90 plus 90 degree plus 50 plus 110 equal to 360 degree. Okay, x plus 90, 200, 250, 250. If you add all this, you will get 250 degree equal to 360 degree. X equal to 360 degree. This is plus, that should become minus 250 degree. You subtract it, x equal to 0. What is 1, 1. So 110 degree the value of x. Okay. Now question number 3, and this is the last question for today. Okay. In the parallelogram ring ring, if measurement of angle r equal to 70 degree, that means this angle is given 70 degree. Okay. Find all the other angles. So to find all the other angles means you have to find angle I, angle N, and angle G. Okay. So let me show you the solution part. Solution. Given part. What is given? It is given angle R equal to 70 degree. Required to find. What do to find? We to find all the angle. That means angle I, angle N, and angle G. Okay. Now how to find? You see, now we know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. So angle R is equal to angle N. Why? Since opposite angles of parallelogram, okay, they are both opposite angles, so they are equal. If angle R is given 70 degree, therefore angle N is also equal to 70 degree. Okay. And or again we know that sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are always supplementary, or angles on the same side of the transversals are always supplementary. That means 180 degree. Okay. So angle G plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is always supplementary. Okay. So value of G we don't know. What to find? G equal to value of G, angle G plus R. Value of R is 70 degree. Okay. Implies angle G equal to 180 degree. 70 is positive. Okay. If you transfer to the right, it will become negative. So angle G equal to 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 7 1 1, so 110 degree. And we know that angle G is equal to angle I. Angle G is equal to angle I, opposite angles. Since angle G is equal to angle I, angle G is equal to angle I, reason opposite angles of parallelogram. Okay, so angles you got 110, therefore angle I is also equal to 110 degree. Okay, so how will that answer? Therefore answer, we will find angle N equal to 70 degree, comma angle G equal to 110 degree, and angle I equal to also 110 degree. Okay, and this is the last question.